Hello, this is Murli. Welcome to Tech Solutions. If you are watching my video first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel immediately and click the bell icon for more updates and like the video to reach more members. Don't skip the video and watch until end. Hi, here discussing about tokens. That is called as CTokens. First of all, what is meant by token? Token is nothing but if we can take in a passage of text, you can take the any passage, right? In a passage of text, the each and individual word is called as a token, right? What is meant by token means you can take any passage of text. In this any passage of text, the each and individual word will be considered as a token. Same way, what is meant by C token means the tokens are smallest unit of the program. That means in a C program, okay, what is the smallest unit of called as a C tokens, right? Now what are the different C tokens available in the C means the first one is keyword, identifiers, constants, strings, symbols and operators. Means by using all these 6 tokens, I have to write the any C program. That means the keywords have the some different keywords and identifiers are there, constants are there, strings are there, some special symbols and symbols are there, and different operators are used to write the any program. That's why these are all called as a C tokens, right? Reason by C token means simply we can say in a C program each and individual units are called as a C token, right? There are 6 types of C tokens. The first one is the keywords. What is meant by keyword? Means here keywords are reserved words, or we can call predefined. The keywords are reserved words or predefined words. What is meant by reserved words or what is meant by predefined words means what are the keywords we have in C? All the words have some specific meaning. Some specific meaning. That means that meaning cannot be changed at anywhere. Means the each keyword can perform a specific function. Means what is the different keywords you have, each keyword do the some specific function. Those are all called as a reserved word or predefined words. In C we have total 32 keywords. And all the keywords are written in lowercase letters. Means all case are in that keywords are in lowercase letters only. Now what are the keywords we have in C means I will write some examples, right? Suppose int is a one keyword, main is a one keyword, suppose float is a keyword, void is a keyword, right? Character is a keyword, while is a keyword, for is a keyword, if is a keyword, else is a keyword. Means these are all the keywords. Like we have total 32 keywords in C language. Here each keyword means here int is a one keyword, means all keywords are in the lowercase letters only. And what is the need of these keywords? By using these keywords I will do the some specific task or some specific function. Means by using the int keyword I can declare the one integer type variables. And by using the while, it is a keyword, means it can be used for to representing the while functions, means while loop. Same way main method, by using the main keyword I have to start write the main program. Like there is a function, suppose printf, scanf, right? These are all the functions we have. Means here the printf function can be used for to display something as a output. Same way, what is the need of scanf function? To read the some input from the keyboard. Like that we have total 32 keywords in C. Okay, these keywords are called as a reserved words and or predefined words. Are you clear? What is meant by keyword? Means the keywords are reserved. Some keywords are reserved to do the some specific function or specific task. Right? Those keywords always we have to represent as a lowercase letters. Okay? So these are the some examples of keywords we have. Right? That is the keyword. Now what is the second one? Identifiers. See what is meant by identifier. Right? Here you can see what is meant by identifier. Means here the identifier is a name. The identifier is a name. Then what is the need of this name? Means this name can be used to identify a variable, function names, structure names and anything else. Means if you have to give the some name for the identification, you can declaring the variable, you want to give the some name. If you want to define the function, you have to give the some name. You have to declare the structures, you have to give the name. Suppose you can declare the variable as array variable name, you can give the some name. Means we can give the some name to call the particular value or to call the particular function. We have to call the particular structure. That is the need of identifier. Means identifier is nothing but simply it is a name. That name can be used for to declaring the variables, to declaring the functions or methods, or to declaring the structures or unions, whatever it may be. By using that name we have to. Okay, now how we can declare the name? What is the rule to represent the particular name? Right, there is some rules for declaring the any identifier. To declaring the any identifier, that means whenever you can declaring the variable name, what is the rule you have to follow? Same way, if you have to declare the any function, what is the rule you have to follow? And same as structure also. Right, now what is the first rule here? Means the first letter must be a character. Means what is meant by identifier? It is the name. Whenever you can declare the name, right, whenever you can declare the name, that name first letter. What is the first letter? Suppose here I can declare the one name. Suppose A is a name, right? Now it is a name. The first letter in my name must be a character or underscore. Only these two is a valid one. That means either A or underscore A. It is a valid. That is the whenever you can declaring the any identifier, the first letter must be a character or the underscore is the valid. Suppose what is the invalid? What is the invalid means? Suppose numerical values. The numerical values cannot be the first letter. Suppose if I can declare 1A. If I can declare the 1A, it is a invalid. Suppose 123, it is a invalid. Suppose I can start A123, it is a valid because the first letter is the character followed by the numerical values. Now it is a valid identifier. These are all the invalid identifiers. Are you clear? What is the rule for declaring the identifier? Means always what are the naming you have to given in this name, the first letter must be a character, right? And what is the second one? The keywords are not an identifier. What is meant by keyword? In previous we discussed about the keywords. What is meant by keyword? Means the keywords are the reserved words, right? What is meant by reserved words? Those words have some specific meaning, right? Those words cannot be used as a identifier. That means suppose for example, what is meant by identifier? Suppose if I can using the variable name, if I can declare here, suppose int is a one keyword, right? I want to declare the one variable. Here I can declare the again int. What is the meaning here? It is a keyword. It has the some meaning. What is the purpose of this keyword? To declare the some variable. Means now it is a variable, means here int also it is a keyword. Now it is a invalid. Means what are the keywords? Those keywords are not used as a variable name. And what is the next third rule? No other special characters is allowed. No special characters is allowed. That means except underscore. Suppose if I can declare the variable name, suppose cat, right, my space suppose name. Now it is a invalid. I have to using underscore. My underscore means there is no any space in between the two words, right? It is a valid one. Suppose invalid means suppose char my @name, right? It is a invalid. That means there is no any special characters are not allowed to declaring the variable, means only the character underscore is the allowed. That is the third one. And fourth one, it must not contain any white space. Same I told means if we can declare a variable, suppose char my space name, it cannot be accepted. Why? Because it is a one name, it is a one name, it will be considered as a two names, it is a invalid. There is no any white space between the two words. We can give the underscore to set as a one word, right? And the last one is it should be up to 31 characters. Means what is the name you have to given, the length of the name must be a 31 characters. Suppose like we have to count here 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that we can give the only maximum of 31 characters to give the name of the any variable. Clear? These are all the basic rules while you have to assigning the naming for any variable or functions or methods. Are you clear? What is meant by identifier? Identifier is the name, right? This name can be used for to identify or to represent the variable, functions, structures or something else. Now what are the basic rules to declaring the any identifier or variable? Means the first letter must be the character, and what are the keywords we have. That means all the 32 keywords are not used as a variable name, that is as an identifier, and there is no any special character is allowed to declaring the any variables, and it must not contain any white space between the two strings. And what is the length of the name is maximum of 31 characters, right? These are the two. Okay, and I will discuss in the next video about constants, strings, symbols and operators. Okay, thank you.